This is where autonomous cleaning actually takes place.
Professional cleaning is under pressure. Rising costs, labor shortages, and shrinking cleaning windows are changing daily operations.
Cleanfix has been developing professional cleaning machines for decades, with a clear focus on reliability in everyday operation.
Cleaning robots don't operate in isolated environments. They work where people move and the conditions change constantly.
Dust, moisture, and low-light conditions are part of everyday cleaning environments, often in spaces that are shared with people and other moving equipment. Small and low-lying obstacles are particularly difficult to detect, yet critical for uninterrupted operation.
We were looking for a perception approach that remains stable under exactly these conditions. Camera-based systems reach their limits in dusty, reflective or low-light environments. For our new RA660 Navi XL, we integrated ADAR, a revolutionary 3D ultrasonic sensor developed by Sonair.
ADAR uses ultrasonic waves and electronic beamforming to capture the surrounding space in 3 dimensions with a wide field of view.
Thanks to ADAR, we could drastically reduce the amount of linear ultrasonic sensors. With the result, the new sensor providing much more precise data in a 3-dimensional environment. What matters in practice is predictable behavior and minimal interruptions over long operating periods.
Without optical lenses, maintenance effort is reduced, supporting higher availability in daily operation. Robust perception contributes to stable system behavior, an important aspect of functional safety in open environments.
With ADAR, we're taking a revolutionary approach. This project taught us that listening to the environment is sometimes more valuable than trying to frame it.